But the thing that I've come to realize in this journey of the online money is that it's not the end goal. It's not the money getting into your bank that's going to make you happy. It's the actual. So man, I just made 3.5K in less than 50 minutes of me being in a sales call, and I kind of feel empty. Let me explain why. So around 30 minutes ago, I was playing CSGO. I was in a competitive match, whatever. I knew that I have some sales calls coming in, like 2 sales calls, because people want to join the mentorship that I'm selling. So I'm like, whatever, let's join these calls. Let's see if these people can fit the mentorship. Regardless, I joined the call, boom, 3.5K. Other one I didn't close. I made 3.5K total in like 15 minutes. Profit, because obviously in this business, it's all profit. You know, if you have a personal brand, you sell mentorships, you make profit. Then I closed the tab and I went back to play CSGO. Like, you may think I'm a fucking unthankful piece of shit because I'm not like, yeah. But listen, I'm thankful. I love business. I love working. You know, like in a video game, when you play a video game, you're grinding, hustling, grinding. You're not even sleeping because you know that you have to get to level 20 to then get the new map or something. You know, you're gonna get a sword, you're gonna get a machine gun, whatever. If you've ever played those games. But right here, I'm grinding, hustling. And when I get a sale, when I get profit, I'm like, what? Oh, what now? Because like, I don't like many things. I only like the hustle. You know what I like? First of all, I like the hustle. I like recording videos, this and that. And I like video games and good food. But I don't like traveling. I don't like all this crazy shit. Last year, I tried traveling. Okay, I went to Dubai. I went to Thailand, this and that. I went to villas, nice places. But I realized that it's overrated. Most of the times when I traveled there last year was because I wanted to get some content out of it. Because obviously, if you don't know what I do, I sell courses and mentorships for a living. And I help you do the same. Okay, but so obviously, I need to get some content. So yeah, and I did enjoy the traveling. I did enjoy it. But I also kind of enjoyed it more because I knew that I'm going to get a lot of content from this and a lot of sales and, you know, marketing and this and that. I love the grind. I love the hustle. But at the same time, it like feels empty because I know that what then, you know, it's just going to stay the same. I'm just going to grind. Like even if I had 100 M in the bank, I would still grind and hustle. Like, what should I do, bro? I'm not being arrogant. I'm not being a piece of shit. But that's just reality. Like if you were grinding as well, you probably can relate to this somehow. And the point what I'm trying to make, whoa, where did my bathrobe go? My bad. It was kind of getting hot. Okay, it was getting hot. Recording this video with the light and everything. But regardless, the point what I'm trying to make here is that right now you're hustling. You think that the money is going to change your life completely. It is going to change 1000%. But my life changed at 2K per month. Okay, not at 2K per day. Actually, just recorded a video about this as well. How 2K per month changed your life the most. But my life changed the most at 2K per month because I was able to quit the job that I was having. Okay, I was flipping burgers. And I didn't even have to be in the job because I was like 16, but I was still like, I wanted to get all the equipment and everything so that I can work better and this and that. But I was able to quit the job eventually. Because I got to 2K per month. But you're grinding, hustling because you think that it's going to change your life. It's going to change your life. It's going to get fucking amazing, don't get me wrong. But the thing that I've come to realize in this journey of the online money is that it's not the end goal. It's not the money getting into your bank that's going to make you happy. It's the actual work. Like, it's the actual fucking work. Like, that's why Elon Musk... Like everybody, all these peasants, like these fucking peasants, those who want to tax the rich and this and that, they're like, why is Elon Musk still working? He's a trillionaire. It's because he enjoys the work, and that's why he became successful. He's a trillionaire, and he still works like 18 hours a day, 20 hours a day. Okay, regardless, something that I've heard on Twitter. But the point I want to try to make is that it's actually the work that makes people happy in business, not the money. The money is just a byproduct that's going to allow you to make more money. But it's the work that makes me happy, okay? Because you're not going to make a lot of money if you don't enjoy the work. Because we're human beings. We're going to quit something that is painful and doesn't get us results immediately, okay? Because we're humans. we quit shit that feels painful, and it doesn't give us results eventually, or we're not gonna put as much effort into it as we're supposed to. But if we enjoy it, we're gonna put the work in, and the money is gonna fucking follow, and that's what's gonna happen. So that's what happened for me today. Okay, I realized that, wow, I just got the money, but I realized that it felt good, but it's the work, the grind. Me recording this video is what feels better. It's hard to explain, but if you have a business or something like that, you probably understand as well. Okay, obviously we're all aiming for the money. We're all aiming for the money, but you're not gonna get the money. We're not gonna get the money if we don't enjoy the work, because again, then we're gonna quit. Hope you did understand that, because I'm kind of tired right now. So it's freaking 5 a.m. right now, almost. Yeah, 4:56. The clients in the US, it's noon for them. But regardless, 3.5K a day. And all profit, by the way, because I sell courses and mentorships, and I'm not a sales guy. Don't get me wrong. I'm not a sales guy who just freaking gets percentages from the pie. No, I get the whole pie because I have a personal brand and I sell my own products, and that's what I want you to do as well. So if you want to learn exactly how to build a profitable personal brand, how to start your info business, sell courses and mentorships, change your life and change your future clients' lives as well, then first link in the description. I hope you enjoyed these quick nuggets. Okay, peace out.